Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring a beautiful collection of easy-to-make crochet blouse ideas that are both stylish and timeless. Whether you're an experienced crocheter looking for fresh inspiration or a beginner searching for your next project, these stunning designs are sure to spark your creativity. Crochet blouses have become a favorite choice for many fashion lovers because they combine comfort, elegance, and handmade charm. The best part is that you can customize each design to match your personal style, favorite colors, and preferred yarn textures. As you watch these gorgeous blouse ideas, notice the variety of patterns and details. Some feature delicate lace-inspired stitches that create a light and airy look, perfect for warm weather. Others showcase more textured designs that add depth and character, making them suitable for both casual outings and special occasions. One of the wonderful things about crochet is that every piece tells a story. Each stitch represents time, patience, and creativity. A handmade blouse isn't just clothing. It's a reflection of your skill and passion for the craft. You'll also notice that these blouse designs come in different sleeve styles and necklines, from elegant short sleeves to sleeveless options, and from classic round necks to modern V-neck designs. There's something here for every taste and every season. If you're new to crochet, don't be intimidated by these beautiful creations. Many of these blouse ideas can be adapted into beginner-friendly projects by taking them one step at a time. Start with simple stitch patterns. Practice consistently, and before you know it, you'll be creating your own wearable masterpieces. For those with more experience, these designs offer endless opportunities to experiment with unique stitch combinations, decorative accents, and personalized finishing touches. You can even adjust the sizing and fit too. Create a blouse that's perfectly tailored to you. Crochet fashion continues to grow in popularity because it celebrates individuality and craftsmanship. In a world of mass-produced clothing, handmade pieces stand out for their beauty, authenticity, and attention to detail. Which crochet blouse design has been your favorite so far? Is it the elegant and delicate styles, the modern and trendy looks, or the classic timeless pieces? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear which design inspires you the most. If you're enjoying this collection and would like to see more crochet inspiration, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads featuring beautiful crochet ideas and creative projects. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with us today. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying the wonderful art of crochet. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!